Sebastian Seinfeld.
And I'm Bob Baker.
Bringing you the annual Channel 7 News telecast on Channel 84.
This year, we're focused on raising funds for prevention and research for global climate change.
Hopefully we will raise awareness and even have a couple of laughs along the way. Stay tuned.
As you can see, this is the meter that will be monitoring our progress and money that we have raised over tonight. It started at, why is it minus 10?
I ordered a pizza.
What?
I ordered Chinese. I'll be back in a minute.
Today, we will be talking about 3 major topics and the ways of preventing them and others from becoming reality.
We will present 3 large-scale natural occurrences that took place over the last 10 years.
Something these environmental conundrums have in common, either amplified or caused by global
Climate
change. We'll be back right after this quick message from our sponsors. Tired of being an absolute clown on the court?
Yeah.
Tired of being an underrated basketball player?
Yeah.
Does this happen every time you try to take a layup? Well, worry no more. The new Nike Hypershot 2013s are just in. Try them out. Okay. You'll be able to dunk. You'll be able to shoot like LeBron. You'll be able to text and play basketball at the same time. Yes! Mom's making macaroni! These shoes are so stylish, you'll be able to pick up all the girls. Watch this. I picked her up!
No! No! No!
Last but not least, you'll be able to pick up girls and play basketball at the same time. There you are.
Who are you? Last time I walked by this house!
Order your new Nike 2013 Hypershots now and receive
A complimentary pair of retro Hypershot basketball socks dating back to the 1940s.
Call now and receive this entire bundle. A $20 value for only $49.99.
And now keep you honest as a third base coach.
Chip? I think it's time.
I think it is.
Let's go, Tim. Let's go. No.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you
A meaningful method of prevention of global climate change would have to be conservation. Whether that be conservation of waste, which can mean recycling more, or ensuring recycled products aren't put in the trash.
A notable way of measuring if you're conserving would be to take note of your carbon footprint. For those who don't know what a carbon footprint is, no, it's not your actual footprint.
It is your footprint on nature, and how much or little you're affecting the planet. Having a small carbon footprint means you are a great contributor to conservation.
However, if your carbon footprint is the size of Shaquille O'Neal's feet, you're in trouble.
Oh, Chip, that's a good one.
And now a quick word from our sponsors.
Greg, I think you got it. The perfect marshmallows.
Can you grab me a sea of marshmallows 2013 bracket?
Yeah, that's gonna be a winner.
Lily picked the lowest C you possibly could for everything.
I didn't think everyone in the world had a small carbon footprint, the world would be a fantastic place, and the serious problem of climate change would not be such an intensely urgent factor.
However, climate change is a big problem, and it is breathing down our necks as an unwanted burden. We have already witnessed firsthand climate change in big ways.
Our 3 topics are all serious signs that our climate is indeed in danger. These occurrences are all very out of the ordinary, and 2 are in disastrous form.
Please stay tuned for more analysis towards each natural occurrence.
Here at Channel 7, we put a lot of work into this telethon. You see, it wasn't all fun and games. A lot of work went into our creative process.
Take a look. What are you doing?
What are you doing here? I swear it's not what it looks like. What are you doing here? Hey Joe, what are you doing? What are you doing over there? No?
Nothing.
Alright, I'm just gonna go cry in the bathroom from what I saw. Joe, it's a cat and he's wearing a top hat.
This is it!
Really? What?
This is it!
You have it? Hold it up. Joe, hold it up. Hold it up. Joe, are you kidding me? Up.
It came to me!
What?
The idea!
What is it?
Global climate change.
Ooh.
First stop on our trip, New York.
The Big Apple.
Let's go.
Hello Channel 7 viewers, I'm Bob Bakerman here with a Channel 7 News video for you today. And boy do you have a treat. We have executive clips from earlier this year when Hurricane Sandy hit New York. If we could just come along to the monitor, please. This is New York being submerged. That is obviously the wrong clip. The day after tomorrow. Steve, you're an idiot. Show the right clip. Yeah, no, like so. No, I literally covered his bed in peanut butter. Like it was just smothered, laid on thick. And then when his dog came over, it started eating it.
Hey, Graham.
Are we filming? Hi, I'm Bob Bakerman. Today, we have continued footage, the real footage, Steve, of the flooding in New York. Now, this is a video from the New York Times, and this is a time-lapse video from Monday at 11 p.m. As you can see, the rain is heavily elevated, as well as strong gusts of winds, creating a hurricane-like atmosphere. As we noted before, it's a common misconception that global warming created hurricanes. However, hurricanes were there before humans. Global climate change simply amplifies and strengthens hurricanes to make them devastating, like so. A main factor towards New York flooding recently was obviously Hurricane Sandy's work. But why New York?
New York is very low, has an altitude of only 33 feet above sea level.
Or about 7 meters stacked on top of each other.
Dangerously close. Satellite measurements over the last 2 decades have actually been proven to be wrong. Water levels are rising 60% faster than predicted.
It doesn't help that New York is right at the mouth of the Hudson River, which leads into the Atlantic Ocean. While the ocean is rising, slowly but steadily, a lot due to climate change melting the polar ice caps.
We can't help but notice New York is in trouble. Grab your shorts and sunglasses, people. We're headed to Arizona.
Let's go on down. Climate change is a long-term shift in weather conditions identified by changes in either temperature, precipitation, winds, and other indicators. Climate change can involve both changes in average conditions and changes in variability, including, for example, extreme events like hurricanes or tsunamis.
Any factor that causes a sustained change to the amount of incoming energy or the amount of outgoing energy can lead to climate change. As these factors are external to the climate system, they are referred to as climate forcers, invoking the idea that they force or push the climate towards a new long-term state, either warmer or cooler depending on the cause of change.
Well said. Different factors operate on different timescales, and not all of those factors have been responsible for changes in Earth's climate in the distant past are relevant to contemporary climate change.
Factors that cause climate change can be divided into two categories: those related to natural processes and those related to human activity.
Natural causes. I'd say the Earth's climate can be affected by natural factors that are external to the climate system, such as maybe changes in volcanic activity, solar output, and the Earth's orbit around the sun.
Human causes. Climate change can also be caused by human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and the conversion of land for forestry and agriculture. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, these human influences on the climate system have increased substantially.
Well said, Joe.
Next, we have a clip that shows snow in Arizona. Are you serious? Snow in Arizona, Steve? Wait, there actually was snow in Arizona? Oh, roll the clip, I'd love to see it. It's obviously fake, Steve. Once again, we embarrass the studio. Roll the right clip.
Oh my mouth! Oh, why'd you punch me?
Sorry about that, guys. Had to take care of a little business with Steve. But right now, let's roll the real clip, sent by Arizona's own Jim Weiler.
As you can see, people, not major snow like up in Canada, but just enough to notice that this is a serious environmental problem. Engaging in different climates in warm areas such as Arizona. People, this is a problem and it needs to be stopped. From 1995 to 1999, a record 33 hurricanes struck the Atlantic Basin.
More frequent disasters are a result of climate change and rising temperatures worldwide.
There are two necessary occurrences that will begin a hurricane. Hurricanes start when warm, moist air from the ocean surface begins to rise rapidly. It encounters cooler air that causes the warm water vapor to condense and to form storm clouds and drops of rain.
The intense wind speeds are created when winds near the surface of the water collide, pushing more water vapor upwards, increasing the circulation of warm air and accelerating the speed of the winds.
Some people say it is the pollution and cutting down of rainforests that affect the hurricanes. Well, whoever says that is wrong. Hurricanes have been around for forever. They are just amplified by climate change, not created by it.
Scientists agree that hurricanes are becoming more frequent and severe. Some reasons why this is happening is air and water temperatures are rising worldwide, which could increase the severity and likeliness of occurring hurricanes. Human activities such as deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions from a wide range of industrial and agricultural processes are contributing to those temperature changes at a greater rate today than in the past.
Failure to take action now to lower levels of greenhouse gases is likely to lead to more frequent and severe hurricanes in the future.
All of these factors were present in New Orleans in 2005. When the ripping winds and rains poured down on New Orleans, they were all increasing severity by the climate change. Maybe the winds were so strong because the Saints quarterback is named Drew Brees.
Chip, you're not funny.
Oh yeah, everyone loves my
We
jokes.
took a poll. 99-1 said you weren't.
But at least I'm well dressed.
We took another poll. Yeah, 99-1 said you weren't well dressed. Oh, come on, Chip. We didn't mean it. While I go sort this out, please enjoy the musical stylings of Big Bear and Spirit of an Eagle. Come on.
Hello. We are Spirit of an Eagle and Big Bear, here to sing you a song. Mother Earth is so right,
In order to remember the times
when hurricanes weren't so bad,
storms weren't so sad,
the polar ice caps were so plentiful,
we thought they'd never go away.
mustn't cast aside
The rules for which we must abide.
to conserve land outside. Instead of driving cars, we should all strum some guitars.
Bike everywhere, every day, like the bongos that I play. Remember, people, we must conserve. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to take a look back to New Orleans. But no, this will not be a trip down to Mardi Gras memory lane. No, this will be a somber trip down to look at some footage from the horrific Hurricane Katrina that struck New Orleans in 2005. It's as you can see, this is fake. Steve, this is the third time today. Like, are you trying to make a mockery of Channel 7? Like, roll the right foot, please. Do it. And here, ladies and gentlemen, we have real horrifying lightning footages from Hurricane Katrina in that fateful hurricane in 2005 that struck New Orleans. They're just elevated winds up to 85, 90 miles per hour. Just destruction left, right, and center. We have it pretty good down in Canada. It is a wonderful life.
It's what?
It's a wonderful life here. Okay? Okay. Down here at Channel 7, we like to kid around sometimes.
But tonight, we're touching on a very serious topic.
Wait, where'd you get the dog?
The dog store.
Mine kind of sucks now. But all joking aside, global climate change is a very serious matter and it's rapidly increasing in its predicament to become a global factor.
We hope to see you next year on our annual telethon.
Stay classy, 8C.